In today's episode, I'm going to show you the one-click selection or one-click cutout or the artificial intelligence selection in Adobe Photoshop, which has been introduced in the recent Photoshop update of January 2018. Coming up. Hey, what's up? This is Harshvardhan and welcome to another superb episode. In today's episode, I'm going to show you the latest feature which has been added by the January 2018 update in Adobe Photoshop 2018. So this feature is very helpful. It saves you a ton of time and it makes just one-click selection of your prominent subject in the image. So if you are into the compositing work or the photo manipulation work, then this feature is a really must for you, and I'm sure you are going to love it. I love this feature. So with the help of this one, I can make a selection or I can easily remove the background with just one click. So let me just show you how this works and where this feature is available. So this feature is currently available. First of all, you need to have the quick selection tool or the magic wand tool. So you can use this or select this option by pressing W or Shift W if you are using any other tool. So you need to come over here and select the quick selection option, and then on the top panel you can see over here we have this option which is called the select subject. You can see this is the option. We have the select subject. Earlier we were having only the select and mask option. Now we have the select subject option. So in order to make a one-click selection, you just need to select this option, select subject. You just press on this and it is going to calculate the pixels, and boom, it has made the selection. And you can see over here we have some problem. This is not that perfect selection, but it has made the very basic selection, and now we can easily refine little bit on this. But if you are using the pen tool and going to make the selection, it is going to take you a whole lot of time, but it saves you that much of time. And now you can come over here again on the top and you can select the select and mask option. Just press this one, select and mask, and again it is going to give you all the default refine as options which are over here. So you can use them or you can simply press OK. I'm not going to refine it. I'm just showing you how this tool works, and less than 30 seconds we have made this cutout or we have removed the background from this image. All right, so let me just show you another image and how this works on different image. So this is the image, another. So I'll just once again select the option, select the subject, and it is going to calculate the pixels, and then boom, you can see it has made the selection, but I can easily refine little bit. Over here we have some problem. So let me just select the quick selection tool which is over here, and I can press Alt and paint over here, and boom, I can come over here, press Alt and paint on this area, on this area. So I can spend a little bit time, but for the basic selection it works like a charm. Okay, so let me show you another image. So on this image we have three subjects. So let's see how this works on this image. So let me select this, select subject, and yes, it's calculating, and now it has made the selection. But here we have some problem, reason being that the background color and the skin color is almost the same. So that's why we have some problem, but we can just refine it. All right, so let me use another image. Let's see how this works on this image. So here we have one subject over here and one over here and one over here. Let's see how it works. So let me press the select subject, and yes, you can see it has made the selection. There is a problem little bit, but we can fix that. And it has made the selection of this subject, which is the prominent subject, and the football as well. So I can paint and I can refine it little bit. It's not that perfect, but yes, they are going to improve it, and in the future updates I hope that they are going to improve it even further. So let me just show you on this image, which is a still image of, so let me select the select subject and let's see how this works this time. And you can see it has made the selection, but over here we have little bit problem, but don't worry, we can fix that. Okay, so let's try another image which is over here. So this is again a still life photo, and let's see what it does on this image. So let me select this select subject and let's see how it makes the selection. So according to him, this is the selection, this is the prominent subject, and this one is the prominent subject. So it has made the selection of that area. Okay, so it's not that good. Let me just close it and let me come over here on this image. So let's see, select subject. Let's see what it does, because we don't have any subject over here. So it thought that there is some guy over here, so it has made the selection of this area. All right, so it doesn't work for the images where we don't have people. So if you have faces, it's going to work very good on those images, but if we don't have the faces or the human being present in the image, it's not going to work. So let me just show you on this image. Select the subject. Here we have the human beings, so it's going to work very good. You can see it has made the selection, and over here we have the problem. I can press Alt and paint over here to refine it. All right, so this one works good on this image. So let's try this on this image. So press the select subject, and yes, it has tried to make the selection of the subject, but here we have some problem due to the contrast and the colors in the image. So it works based on the colors and contrast in your image. However, we can refine it, but yes, it is very helpful when you want to make a very quick selection. All right, and it saves you lots of time if you are into the compositing work or lots of photo manipulation work like me. This is a lifesaver for you and for me as well. So how do you like this feature? Please do let me know in the comment section below. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next episode. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. And if you want to learn the Photoshop and photography in depth, make sure you check out the premium membership of my site harshvardhanart.com, where you can have the access to all of my premium tutorials with a huge discount. And with the premium membership, you can also have the free access to my Photoshop Action, my image overlays, my Lightroom presets, and much more. So make sure you check that out. The discounted link is in the description section below. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next episode.